Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, this video is going to be answering some questions that a viewer has. And when viewers have questions, certain questions, and when it's like a few questions, or if it's a question that needs a particular answer, I like to come and answer them on a video, because just the same question that someone else may have, others may have, and it's helped me to get the information out to you guys where I don't have to keep answering the same questions over and over. And plus, I cannot answer certain questions in the comments because it's just simply too much. Okay, so, and I don't state the viewer's name. I don't state the name in the video. So, okay, the person said that it looks like they're having an issue in one room. Now, what I can say about that is, once you get bed bugs, you need to treat your whole entire home. And I know for a lot of people, they don't like to hear that. But when you treat that one area, then you come to realize a few days later, a week later, a month later, you're getting bit in different parts of the home, or you're getting bit again in the same area. They travel, they move around, like places where we are. If we spend a lot of time in the living room, in a family room, in a basement, in a den, in a bedroom, they go to those places. And by being, if it's more than one person in your house, which I'm sure it is, because you have a child, then they're going to go where you are and where the child are, because they're going where blood is, and they're going to nest there, and they're going to nest places where you all be. So definitely need to treat the entire home. Now, I have a ton of videos. You can go through the videos, and this is for who's ever viewing this, whoever may need to know this. You can go view. I have like over 60 videos now. So look at the titles of the videos, go through the videos, and just watch what applies to you. Okay, so they're never really basically in just one place. A lot of times it may seem like it. That's the only place you're seeing them right now, because you maybe you did just get them, but they travel. They really do travel. And for me, I always say, once you get them, you treat the whole entire unit, and you never stop treating, because you can always get them again. And you're saying that you believe that they came from your child visiting someone, maybe the other parent. Now, what I would do as far as visiting, if the child lives with you, this is a little tough, because it sounds like you're saying that the other party does not care about the situation, and the other party is saying that the bugs came from you. At this point, it really doesn't matter where they came from. It matters getting rid of them. And from what I'm reading from you, it sounds like the other party is just not willing to do it. So that means that the child should not be able to go back to the other party's home, because it is going to be a back and forth. You're going to keep bringing them back and forth. You're never going to get rid of them. And I don't know if you or your child are sensitive to the bites, but if you are, they're going to drive you absolutely crazy. I mean, when I say crazy, it's not just a figure of speech. Yeah. So, yep. Again, the thing about bed bugs is they don't just sit in one area. they move around, they travel around, and they travel around to the places that they know that a body, somebody, blood, a person with blood inside their body, they know where you at on a regular basis, and that's where they nest. They're very hard to see because they're like clear. They're like little clear bugs, and once they suck your blood, that's when you kind of see the redness in them. As they get older, they change it. If they have 5 life cycles, I put 10 up, but they have 5 life cycles. So when they're first hatching, they're tiny and they're clear. You can't even barely see them. They see through. But when they suck the blood, you can see them if you get to see them run, because they run really fast. I mean, those little things move fast. And as they get bigger, you can see them better. But they don't only get but so big because they're very, very small. Again, you have to treat the entire unit. If the person that your child visits is not willing to treat their home, then you're not going to get rid of them. As long as it's a back and forth and going back and forth, you're never going to get rid of them. They're going to keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Now, one thing I can say is if your house is completely treated, it can help to the fact that you guys won't get bit anymore. And as they keep coming into your home, they'll keep dying off. And you might not have the problem anymore, even though they're being brought back and forth in. But who wants that? Who wants these bugs coming back and forth in their home? And it's a really tough situation, and I can't tell you what to do or how to do it. But it has to be your choice. It has to be your choice. But I would be completely honest, if it was me, my child wouldn't go back. And I'm saying this because I know how the bugs can tear a person's life apart. And people who don't understand it just simply will not understand it. That's all I can say. So treat your whole home. Treat your entire home. Watch the videos, read the titles, watch what applied to you, and prayerfully everything will work out. I don't have too much more to offer, because if the other party is not willing to treat, there's not but so much I can actually say. I would just, my child would just not be going back. That's what, as a mom and as a parent and as me trying to protect my child as well as myself from being bit and having these bugs all through my house, no. But I hope that helped, and hope everything worked out for you. I'll see you guys on the next video.